Greetings, my fellow giggle enthusiasts! You've landed on my YouTube channel, the ultimate hub for construction comedy that'll leave you howling. We've hunted through the internet to unearth clips so funny they'd make a cement truck crack a smile. From worksite wipeouts to tools pulling pranks, we're delivering daily hilarity. Subscribe now, drop your funniest moments below, and let's kick off the fun. Hey there, laugh lovers! So, didn't those construction bloopers just blow your mind? Were my hard hat pranksters making you laugh so hard you nearly launched your coffee across the room? Don't bail! The clips coming up are so side-splitting, they'll make a jackhammer blush with envy. We're talking epic fails and machinery with a PhD in hilarity. Leave now and you'll be kicking yourself like a worker who forgot his toolbox, haha! Subscribe, drop your funniest comments, and let's build a laughter skyscraper! All right, that's it for now. Hope you laughed so hard you woke the dead. Thanks for watching. 7 p.m. daily. Let's roll.